Hey besties, today we're building the LEGO Ideas Polaroid OneStep. Four numbered bags, a couple of plates in this one, and our instructions. Alright, so it comes with these three different photographs. And then we've got just a couple of stickers here. And then our instruction booklet. 122 pages. I'm going to start by opening up this bag that isn't numbered. Got three white base plates in here. They are 6x10 plates. And then one black 6x12 plate. I'll just set those off to the side for now because I don't know when we will need them. And then we've also got this in here. I'm not sure what's inside, so let's open that up. Totally destroyed that box. Ooh. Alright, so it's got like a special Lego kind of rubber band. Oh, two of them. Two special rubber bands. So we'll set those off to the side for now as well. Alright, bag one. We've got two smaller bags in here. Then it looks like we do need those four little base plates to start off right away. Look at all the pretty colors. And this goes here. Got this printed piece that says Polaroid, which this piece is also printed. And that goes here. Alright, so there's our first build already. Now to build the camera. So we made two hinge pieces. Go here. Another one on this side here. These are interesting pieces we just used. They've got like a curve on the edge. I don't really know what to call them, but I don't believe I've ever seen them before. They're pretty cool. They make this like smooth rounded corner for the bottom of the camera. Got a cute little heart piece. So on the inside here we put these gray pieces that have space in them for like a bar. Slides right in there. So that's bag one. Bag two. Here's what we have after bags 1 and 2. Bag 3. Alright, so now we need to use our two rubber bands from earlier. So we're just going to slide them here and then hold them in place with this other brick. It's very interesting to me that this orange circle is a printed piece on this round white tile. But I am grateful that I don't have to put a circular sticker onto a round tile. Take what we can get. We need a sticker. And we need sticker 2, which means that somewhere I might have missed sticker 1. Using stickers 3 and 4. So these say OneStep and 1000. I guess you can choose which one you want on here, whether you want the OneStep or the 1000. So we'll just keep it with the OneStep for now and set this into the side. And there's what we have after bag 3. It's really starting to look like a camera now. Bag 4. Now we use the first sticker. That's so weird that we're using sticker number 1 after we use 2, 3, and 4. There's our Polaroid land camera sticker. Okay, then this piece goes in here. It kind of looks like a popsicle right now. So here's the front little bit of the camera. So here we have it, our Lego Polaroid OneStep camera. So here's the completed camera build. There's the front, and then here's one side and the other side, and then the back of the camera. And if you look through, you can actually see through the camera because we've got the transparent piece there. See, there's my eye. And then it's got this tile here that says OneStep, and we can take that off and put on the other tile we have that says 1000. I'm gonna put the OneStep back on though. And here we've got our 3 photos. Got this Lego guy and a picture of the Lego house, and then this Lego lady. So there's not much playability with the camera. However, you can put the photo in the bottom so it looks like it's just printing out. If I'm holding onto it like this, it doesn't stay super well, like it's just gonna fall out. But if you're displaying it on a flat surface, that would work. In terms of displayability, I would give this set a 5 out of 5 stars. It looks great. The colors are good. It's very authentic to the actual Polaroid OneStep camera. And for playability, I would give it a 3 out of 5 stars. It does have some playable features, like with those photos, but not a whole lot. The lens doesn't really move. There's not really much functionality of the camera. Not that there needs to be any functionality, but it just isn't necessarily a playable set. So overall, that gives us a 4 out of 5 stars for this set. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, besties!